In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a transaction log in Xero in just 5 minutes. Xero is a powerful accounting software that streamlines financial operations for businesses. Knowing how to access your transaction logs is crucial for reviewing and maintaining accurate records. So let's dive in and explore the steps you need to follow. First, you need to navigate to the Xero accounting software login page. This is your starting point. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. Doing this will prompt the login window to appear where you'll need to enter your credentials. Remember that it's important to verify that you have the correct email and password handy, as incorrect entries might lock you out of your account temporarily. Often, a password manager can be useful to safely store and autofill your login details. After entering your email and password, click Login again. This should take you directly to your Xero dashboard. The dashboard is a central hub where you can find various features needed for managing your finances in Xero. On the dashboard, you're greeted with an overview of your financial data, but our focus today is on transaction logs. Next, direct your attention to the menu and click on Accounting. This section offers a variety of options, but you'll want to select Reports. Reports in Xero are comprehensive, providing various insights into your financial activities. Once you are in the Reports section, scroll down until you find the Journal Report. This step might require a bit of scrolling, depending on your screen size and resolution, so make sure not to miss it. With the journal report displayed, you can now view all your transactions in one place. This report gives you a detailed overview of your business entries, which is essential when you need to track and audit your financial actions. At this point, take your time to review the transactions that appear, ensuring everything is accounted for and accurate. Finally, if you need to save or share this information, you have a couple of options. You can click on Save As to preserve a copy of the report in your preferred format. Alternatively, if you need to work on the data externally or share it with your team, you can choose Export. This versatility allows you to manage your data in ways that best suit your workflow or reporting needs. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find a transaction log in Xero. Practicing these steps will enable you to efficiently manage your accounts, ensuring you stay on top of your financial data. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting with Xero.